How to sign in WeChat without QR code verification. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to sign in WeChat without QR code verification. In that case, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and install the WeChat application. I already have installed it, as well as I already have an account. So next, when you have actually installed it, then you have to create your account. So press the sign up button, enter in your credential, register with your phone number, all of that. And there is no such way to bypass the QR code section. You don't have to go ahead and sign in with the QR code, unless and until if you don't do it, so you'll not be able to access the following page. So next, what you can do is you can just go ahead and submit a request stating that you don't have a QR code or unable to sign in with the QR code because of this and that reason. Then if the reason is valid enough, then you'll be able to get through the QR code section. So that is how you can sign in into your WeChat account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.